Welcome here, welcome home. This is part 2 of our 6-day Ancestor meditation. Whether you're here for the first time or returning again, know that your presence matters. Rest in your breath and be here in the rhythm of your heart. See the 2 generations before you as you welcome another circle of ancestors. These are the ancestors of song, those who carried your language, who safeguarded their right to be a voice and welcomed the learning of their sound. These ancestors stand with a story, word or phrase for you, welcoming you to listen. As you offer space to hear your ancestors, acknowledge the resilience of their voice and the voice that lives in you. It might not have always been safe to speak their truth, to stand in their voice, to share their stories and speak in their language, in the language that is also yours that you can come to now and welcome sight and remembering too. Let go of any shame that may rest inside of you for not knowing your family's language, and let yourself breathe into the gentle song of your ancestors chanting around you, letting their words offer you a place of home and sight of your belonging, calling yourself back to your knowing, back to the roots in which you belong. Your family stands with you, full of a strong-rooted voice, rooted from the land, rooted at heart. They are proud of you for the courage it is to come back to remembrance, to learn again what has always been a part of you. Their song is in you. It breathes in you. Let every part of your being feel into the frequency of the song before you. The words may not be known to you, but they're felt and remembered in your blood and bones and heart, uncovering and revealing themselves again to you. You breathe together. The breath of your ancestors is your breath. You stand in the fullness of 3 generations circling around you and welcome the slow release you offer together. As you let your heart remember the voice of your ancestors, the song or words they have for you become clearer and clearer. Receive what they're calling forward to you. Again, you breathe together, fully embracing one another. Give thanks to their wisdom, their breath, their voice, and come back to the sensation that rests at your heart. Breathe in, and on the exhale, let their song return home in your body. Thank you for listening to part 2 of our Ancestor meditation. Subscribe to receive the next parts of this 6-day journey. Each is designed to help you deepen, clear, and meet yourself. Breathe in. Long exhale out. Come back. Come back when you're ready. Return again and remember, you are already worthy and you are already enough.